Hey guys, this is Fundo on Nchoparama. Tonight on Imbewu, Kulego checked up on Mandisa and found that she is a ghost. And Nokzola asked Kulego why he is interested on Mandisa. And Kulego tell Nokzola that Mandis he thinks that Mandisa knows where Makosazana is. While Mbali's friends her hung and Pexisa has to drive her home. And it seemed like Tando enjoyed the dinner with Pexisa. And it seemed like the competition between Bali and Tando will end in tears for getting Pexisa. And it seemed like Pexisa, he see that these two ladies wants him and he must choose between them. Kulego thinks Nokzola is acting nervous, while Maharaji tell Nokzola that he knows the her baby he is, and he wants Makosazana things on Nokzola, and he will tell where the baby. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.